Good morning, children. This class today will discuss about exercises of the topic life in the desert. Of course, for your monthly examination, it is a periodic test. Actually, today is your periodic test, right? I think we have prepared and read, but however, so I am dictating notes for other exercises. The same topic, life in the desert. Please take down. Okay, class 7th geography, life in the desert. Please take down. Children, all of you take your books. Take down the notes for the topic life in the desert. Keep reading chapter number 10. Here you write down chapter number 10, life in the desert. Please all of you write down, all 7th class students. Topic name life in the desert, chapter number 10. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What are the 2 types of deserts found in the world? Question number 1. What are the 2 types of deserts? What are the 2 types of deserts found in the world? That is question number 1. What are the 2 types of deserts found in the world? Answer. The 2 types of deserts found in the world is number 1 hot desert. Number 1 hot desert. Number 2 cold desert. The 2 types of deserts found in the world is number 1 is hot desert. Number 2 cold desert. Clear? Children, that is question number 1. What are the 2 types of deserts found in the world? Answer is the 2 types of deserts found in the world is number 1 is hot desert, number 2 is cold desert. Number 1 is hot desert, number 2 is cold desert. Question number 2. In which continent is Sahara Desert located? Question number 2. In which continent? Write down, children, please. Question number 2. In which continent? In which continent Sahara Desert is located? In which continent? In which continent Sahara Desert is located? In which continent Sahara Desert is located? In which continent Sahara Desert located? Answer. Sahara Desert is located in Sahara Desert located in Sahara Desert located in African continent. Sahara Desert is located in African continent. Sahara Desert is located in African continent. Once again I will repeat. Question number 2. In which continent the Sahara Desert located? Answer. The Sahara Desert located in African continent. Sahara Desert located in African continent. Third question. What are the climatic conditions? What are the climatic conditions of Ladakh Desert? Question number 3. What are the climatic conditions? What are the climatic conditions of Ladakh Desert? What are the climatic conditions of Ladakh Desert? Answer. Heading right down. Third question is, what are the climatic conditions of Ladakh Desert? Answer is, climatic conditions of Ladakh region. The climatic conditions of Ladakh region are heading right. Underline. Number 1. Climate is extremely cold. Climate is extremely cold and dry. First point right now. The climatic conditions of Ladakh are, underline, first point, climate is extremely cold and dry. The climate is extremely cold and dry. Second point, due to high temperature, due to high temperature, air is thin, air is thin, and the heat of sun is felt intensively. The heat of sun felt intensively. Heat of the sun felt intensively. Clear? Yes. Next, fourth question. What mainly attracts tourists to Ladakh? Question number 4. What mainly attracts tourists to Ladakh? That is question number 4. Question number 4 is, what mainly attracts the tourist to Ladakh? What mainly attracts tourists to Ladakh? Answer. The tourists attract Ladakh mainly. Answer right down. The tourists The tourists attract Ladakh mainly due to the tourist attracts Ladakh mainly due to number one, Gompas, GOMPAS. Number one, Gompas, 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 Gompas. Number two, glaciers. Number two, glaciers. Number one, Gompas, and second one is glaciers. You write on this. Mainly, why particularly that Ladakh tourists are attracting Ladakh mainly due to number one is Gompas, number two is glaciers. To see the natural beauty of the glaciers mainly. So that's therefore always the Ladakh attracts the tourists. Tourists attract the Ladakh mainly. Clear? Next question is, name the trees that grow in Ladakh. Next question is, fifth question, name the trees that grow. Name the trees that grow in Ladakh. The following trees grow Ladakh in. Answer. The following trees grow mainly in Ladakh. The following trees grow in Ladakh mainly. Number one is willows. Number one is willows and poplars. Mainly the trees grow in Ladakh are number one, willows and poplars. Number two, fruit trees. Fruit trees like apples, apricots and walnuts. Apples, walnuts and apricots. Apples, walnuts and apricots. So these are the main fruit trees grown. Apart from that, willows and poplars. These are the plants mainly grow in Ladakh. Name the trees that grow in Ladakh region. Right? Name the trees which are grown in Ladakh region. The following trees grown mainly in Ladakh region. Number one, willows and poplars. WILLOWS. Willows and poplars. POPLARS. Willows and poplars. Number two, fruit trees like number one, write down apples. Number two, walnuts. Number three, apricots. Apples, apricots and walnuts. These are the major plants. These are the major plants which are grown. These are the major plants which are grown in the Ladakh region. These are the major plants which are grown in Ladakh region. Which are the plants grown in Ladakh region? Or name the plants which are grown in Ladakh region. Answer: the following plants or the following trees grown in Ladakh region are number one is willows and poplars. Willows and poplars. Number two is fruits like apples, apricots, and walnuts. Of course, all these apples, apricots, and walnuts can be cultivated where in northern region, that is Himalayan belt, which requires the Mediterranean type of climate. Need more moisture and temperature should be less. So therefore, these crops will be grown in the mountain regions or hilly regions. That is the northern part of the country. Clear? That is, name the trees that are grown in the Ladakh region: willows and poplars, apples, apricots, and walnuts. Clear? Right.